Homestead gasifier part 2, the reactor. Time to get down to the heart of the matter. I think Don Henley said that. This is the base of the Simple Fire Homestead gasifier. It's a 5-gallon metal bucket. Inside of this is, and this is all shown on the still pictures, including dimensions, but inside of it is, well, I have a old bucket that happened to have a 8-inch top on it and then flares out to 10 inches on the bottom. But what you'd probably want to use, unless you have something laying around like that, is a piece of 8-inch ductwork. And so then from the 8-inch duct, you get a 8 to 6-inch reducer, duct reducer, and then a piece of 6-inch pipe. This is sliced. I don't know if I can show you, but at any rate, this is just sliced and left open to reduce the size so that it's just a sleeve so that the rest of the hopper can slide over it easily and on and off. Inside the bucket is packed, or inside the pail, it's packed with sand clay mixture, cob, and this is packed tight inside here. And I built a different one of these earlier, and after it was fired for a while, this turned into basically a big round brick. So the purpose of this is to maintain integrity of the different components, and also to provide some insulation for the unit. And I don't know, I just thought it was a real good idea. So anyways, it takes a long time till you fire it. It takes a long time for this stuff to dry, and I'll have to wait until we take this outside and set it up. But right where this is a little bit higher than the edge of the bucket, so I'll put a 8-inch sleeve around this, fill the cob up to the top of the bucket, and then pack around that 8-inch sleeve, and that'll seal the top of the hopper, make it airtight. It might shrink when it gets hot, and then we'll have to run some high temp caulking around it and seal that off. We'll have to see if that is a problem or not. But anyways, we'll try to look inside. Okay, that is the nozzle. I have whoever designed that top part of the nozzle on the still pictures. This came off a drive-on on wood, and that feeds air from this 3/4 inch pipe into that nozzle. There's another pipe over here, and that basically just is a port that allows you to fire the charcoal to start with a torch like this. Okay, try to hold this up. When this is all set up, water, I think I showed this on the other video, but anyways, water will feed down through a needle valve, and it will drip into this intake pipe, flash to steam, provide extra power. I'm going to flip this over now. Okay, I cut a hole out of the bottom of the bucket in order to access the hearth and the nozzle. Okay, the nozzle, just a couple of 3/4 nipples put into a 3/4 T and capped on the end. On the end of the cap, I can get you a better idea by showing through here. On the end of the cap is a hole drilled in case you get excess water coming out of your drip system. It instead of filling up the pipe and blocking off gas flow, it'll just run out of the back of this pipe and drip down into the base here. It won't do anything, no harm. So anyways, stand this up somehow. This is an 1.25" cap, and it sits and it just rests on top of that 3/4 flange, the flange on that 3/4 T, and it allows the air to, and it's held up enough by the base of the T to allow air to go through all of those holes. This is a different nozzle I had on the original test unit. That only had a 6-inch pipe in the reactor, and try to get a better picture here. There we go. 6-inch pipe in the reactor, and it and I think that there